name's Anthony Corbin, and I'm a photographer. You know, professionally, I started, while I was in college, maybe less than a year ago, and it started off, when I was using a disposable camera. It wasn't anything too serious at first, and it started when I was in middle school, and I was playing around with disposable cameras, and I just a way to archive my memories and experiences. But from there, I moved on to digital photography. I played around with a little point and shoot, and I used my siblings as my guinea pigs for these mock photo shoots that I was doing. And from there, my mom and my aunt saw that I really enjoyed taking pictures, so they pitched in for an SLR camera. And from there, I started collaborating with other photographers and models and other aspiring stylists. And I put myself out there by putting up a website with the help of a friend. And through exposure and networking, now I do this as a side gig. I think the best part of photography for me is the ability to freeze a frame in time, because we live life through a multitude of frames. And for a camera to take one image and tell a larger story is something that I was always fascinated by. To reinvent the past or to relive a memory or a certain sensation is something that I really loved. I think, growing up, I've learned to experience different things. So what inspires me about my photography is, something that I'm feeling internally. And that's where a lot of my pictures are derived from. It comes from somewhere internal. And it's basically a personification of, my mental thoughts and emotions. And, from there I can abstract something that only exists at a mental scale and transpose that into something as visual as a photograph. I've always found it somewhat of a challenge to describe my style of photography because, although I aim to be multifaceted by doing shoots like portraits or lifestyle or, commercial or fashion, I think something that I'm most passionate about is something that I can't justify using vocabulary. Ultimately, it's about, things that I'm conflicted with. And a lot of people describe my photography as being creepy or sadistic or morbid, but I think that's such a shallow definition of what I'm trying to encapsulate. But it is about, reinventing what I'm feeling or my experiences. And sometimes they're feelings of confusion or frustration or, even heartache. And these are all feelings that society has taught us not to express outwardly, but in a way it's a way for me to relinquish what I'm conflicted with and what I'm struggling with. I kind of want it to be a natural process. Wherever photography takes me, it takes me. But ultimately, it's about continuing to do what I love to do, and that's telling a story and to, evoke sensations and emotions through an image. I actually have a website up. It's www.throughthelense2012.com, and there you can find my email, my phone number, and the Facebook page that you can like and share. And if you like what you see, you can go ahead and hit me up. My name is Anthony, and I'm a raw artist.